welcome to Evelyn and Ethan Vlog!
Hi friends! In today's video, we are going to unbox Ethan's Christmas toy. Ethan, where is your Christmas gift? Oh, there it is. Lego Monster Truck. Lego City for kids above 5 years old. But Ethan is only 3. Are you ready to unbox? Yeah. Okay, let's unbox. Knowledge Bites. A monster truck is a special truck with heavy-duty suspension, four-wheel steering, and oversized tires. You can see 2 bags of blocks and instruction manual. Let's explore the instruction manual.
The instruction manual helps you to build the monster truck step by step.
There is a code. We can scan it to get the instruction plus.
This is the same instruction manual we got along with our toy, but it is just the digital version. First, let's build our monster truck racer. He got strong legs. Let me tell you, be careful with the parts. There are a lot of small blocks.
Wow!
Look at his face. He's starving to race. He just wants to win the race. For any adventurous move, safety first. So he is ready with his helmet. One more accessory. Cool.
We did it! Knowledge Bites. Motocross, tractor pulling, and mud bogging are the popular events by Monster Truck.
Now the star of the show, our monster truck. we are ready with the base and the steering. Trust me, you are going to love this. This block puzzle can be joined together by studs on the top and holes in the bottom. This is called brick and knob connection. The super cute headlights. Lego never compromise on its detail.
Knowledge bites. Do you know who built Lego Group? Ole Christensen. Where's that piece? Oh, you see.
Where are the tires? Oh, there it is. Help me, Racer. Bring it. He is super strong.
Knowledge bites. The name Monster Truck came because of its oversized tires.
Come on, Racer. We are done. Let's race.